Welcome back to Car Flair. If you're searching for the ultimate blend of comfort, luxury, and freedom on the road, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome Camper van is in a class of its own. Built on the world-renowned Sprinter platform and upgraded with premium features inside and out, this is more than a van, it's a mobile luxury suite designed for those who won't compromise, even when they're off the grid. The exterior carries Mercedes-Benz's signature design, sleek, elegant, and purposeful. With refined LED headlights, clean body lines, and high-end paint finishes, it already looks upscale before you even step inside. But this camper van isn't just for show. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful and efficient diesel or optional hybrid engine, delivering smooth highway cruising and strong torque for mountain roads. And with available all-wheel drive, it's ready for adventure wherever you take it. Inside, it's a different world. The cabin is wrapped in high-end materials, soft leather seating, real wood trim, and ambient lighting that gives a calming, high-end feel. There's a full kitchen with induction cooktops, a stainless steel sink, a large refrigerator, and high-quality cabinetry throughout. The layout is carefully designed to offer maximum space and comfort in a compact footprint. A convertible dining area, a memory foam bed, and a modern wet bath with a rainfall shower all come together to create a true home on wheels. Technology is front and center in the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome. A large touchscreen infotainment system with integrated navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and multiple USB-C ports make it easy to stay connected. Smart control panels let you manage lighting, water levels, and solar charging from your phone or the central hub. Some models even come with built-in Wi-Fi and satellite TV, so you're always in touch no matter where you are. Mercedes has also added advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, standard across most configurations. And with a whisper-quiet cabin, driving or resting in this motorhome feels serene. What really sets it apart is the feeling of luxury that follows you from the city to the wilderness. Whether you're parked at a 5-star resort or a secluded forest trail, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome Camper van makes every stop feel like a destination. Thanks for watching Car Flair. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews on the latest camper vans, trucks, and motorhomes every week.